mercy. Oh Lord have mercy. Turn me loose. Even though star. The youth them make a hustling by selling kiss cup up. Turn up such a get them sweat suit down. Bad boy and police, a fire patient. If you never see me out, I reach down that. In a crisp mode box, a looking glass fan that. Old pull screw, hold it down and that. Kickstart hot. I tell you it's a Kingston hot. People, you know when they a long time from Michael Jackson was black. Long before even Bob Marley dreadlocks. Pick we up and live with them with bunks right back. We never put we head down that down, y'all from Kingston hot. And we love this and we love. Different trouble I am. King, it freeze or it went to England. Be careful, just calm down. No. Listen. Lord of mercy. With nice. Went to a dance a Clarendon. Me and a big fat thing named Pam. Dreadlocks at my range. At the dance field. The gate man a hold up on my woman hand. One box me give me 9 glass in face. Beer money scatter all over the place. Babylon Paul, the people in my waist. I'm not have to put it with the big 38 year me don't turn. Let go me and kid, man, let me come in now. Let go me, we love. So I say, Lord, undercover lover, me's an undercover lover. Daddy Josey in the area. Undercover lover, me's an undercover lover, yes. Daddy Josey in the area. I want to give a love to Marcia. I want to give a love to Jennifer. And leave my upper pocket full of a green. I want to give it to me, I tell queen. And I'm the girl, keep the ball up. He's up! Now the time short, you know. The time short. The time short. So, different tune. So I see I live. Rastafari I live. Outlaw Josey Wale. People, Lord will tell them. In front of station, they got the pipe alone. Smoke from a chalice with the bubble and I run. Get vexed now in the clean up the machine gun. Come in at the dance, one come run Rastafari. Happy bun, Rastafari the chalice of the bun. So now see I will tell them again. A long time with the years so they move and stand. Me never go and dance it up the chalice in the hand. Me burn it from Kingston to Clarendon. And down I said James, Lord the chalice of the bun. Outlaw Josey said the chalice of the bun. So now see I will tell them we know it's of the bun. Rastafari, I say Rasta if you will. Please send a sexy girl for me to trill. Don't send me one who take the chicken pill. Or she might have just get my willy kill. And then it can't stand still. So I say I want a nice one please. Who can cook my son the rice and peas. And she must never give me bun or cheese. Or her neck will be squeezed. Please send I one with charm. No rotten cheek, I don't want them only arm. I want one love iron. He's a people love it, say one. Different tune. Selassie. Different tune. Play below. My brethren there in the back of sneak. Play below, Alaba. Play below. This one called Belt. Listen, one thing before I go. I'll pull up on wall. I like the female that came here just now a while ago. I like her figure, because you know we're the older guys and we love younger. We don't play with kids, we don't do pedophile and all that. But first thing, she was going so wonderful until she started to curse. Don't get frustrated and curse. Because this country is a kind of country where we're bad and phobic. So we have to know what we're at. So you think right, keep it right there. Don't get aggressive. Yeah? That's what's just a warning. But watch this now. This is for the brethren them. Don't play me so loud. This is for the brethren them. See? I'm going to say I wear them pants down there, so I can't tell them enough to wear them pants to the brethren. That you buy your pants. But if I battle jar, yeah, show how you like that. I hear something that. Lord, I want them. Pull up your pants on your waist. And you know, she say it's a big disgrace. And we don't want them dressing the inner we yard. Not in mount and we get. Well, hey boy, I will not promote. It look like on the must be donkey or goat. It's only animal walk with him body out the door. Me never dress so all when me poor. Never gonna move from beside I. It look like on the 2X rated and raw. It's only Cecile and stay so stretched around you. Maca Diamond and Chelsea. People who don't know I'm not homophobic. But man mustn't dress so drastic, boy. If you want a job for advertise, draws waist. Look, I work with Victoria Wale. Yo, man, I'm one of them DJ that we have on cobweb. See? They have to keep up with the youth them. This name belt, come say name, B-E-L-T belt. Pull up your pants on your waist. Or you know she say it's a big disgrace. For me no want them dressing the inner me yard. Not in mount and me gate. Well, hey boy, I wanna promote. It look like on the must be donkey or goat. It's only animal walk with him body out the door. Me never dress so all when me poor. Never gonna move from beside me, y'all. Why on the 2X rated and raw? It's only Cecile and stay so stressed around here. Maca Diamond and Chelsea. People who don't know I'm not homophobic. But man mustn't dress so drastic, boy. If you want a job for advertise panty waist, look I work with Victoria's Secret. Yes, me love to see the girl them take money from man them and fix up them nails and them ear. Them tattoo them back, pour them tongue. OutLaw Josey Wale don't care. But me no want see no boy I wind up in front of me and show him big nasty underwear. We know. One more time. I got it. One more time. One more time. One more time. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Love me up here for saltfish. Salve yam and banana. And the big flour dumpling. Now every time I remember jam down Rasta water come by me eye. Every time I remember jam down dreadlocks water come by me. Hey, come back money, come back trend. Water come by me eye. I queen up. That one, who you power? Watch my selector. Who you power? That one I name Push It Good. I know all the things like this. I type this with things. Pushhegood. Push It Good. I'm gonna love it. Say go on. Lord have mercy. Selassie. Rastafari live. Live alone. Well, any man when I watch them woman, them don't love them. Me now stop watch my girlfriend. Woman, you can't live with them, you can't live without them. Woman is man's greatest problem. But if I can't, you a push, girl, you push it good. If I bike, you a push, girl, you push it good. You push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it real good. When rain a fall, road slippy and sloppy. The corner, them white deep and them wetty. But me tell you, come here, Miss Betty, from me get him in the left, girl, away. Make me happy, me have a give you a trophy. You push it good, you push it good. You push it real good. When I give you money, girl, you notice me no check it. See me new car, that girl go and go wreck it. The way she give me bun, me have to change the name to Bunny. Seem like me party now. We love, people love it, say go on. Yo. I want to call out my brother, Admiral, because he funked up his foot just like me. He tried to tell me that this is a scenario, but I figure more or less he was jacked up in sex with his female companion. Now, my thing is from way back then. Let me chop one more before we bring Mr. Bailey. One more before we bring Mr. Bailey. One more before we bring Mr. Bailey. Selassie, Rastafari, King Selassie. Let me know. This name the love triangle. One know if a woman or his man of the angle. He not them there's something Josey Wale don't tangle. Trouble Rastafari, you will get in a trouble. Lord, leave me the man and bunty, whether I see them a war. Leave me the man and bunty, whether I see them a fight. Leave me the man and bunty, whether I see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Be the man. And Angel was on TV. Why but the killer called me from in Miami. He said, hey Colonel Josey, do you think this is right? Did the doctor take me Angel and I say he's his wife? Me say, but in there bad man, me no live native life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk out me house with a big flashlight. And if a pin drop, I just gunshot a bite. Oh no, it could not happen to me. Or now, Angel would end up in a UC with 2 years max and 2 Mike Tyson job. Would I end up in a prison and she in a rehab? She'd have to give me back me house, me want back me van. Me care for no one, call me mama man. Me want back me change, she have to give me back me ring. And every money when me spend up in a Burger King. Me never see Beanie fight over Carlin. Look how she brown, sexy and clean. But it look like Carlin did a cook to my grit. Well Beanie man did want tax steel and butter. If you love it down, now happy say forward. Admiral Bailey, Mr. Bailey. That lady there can't leave you alone.
Yeah man, you don't know the thing set up. You don't know father and son. Well you know the night stay, so we don't waste the time in the whole parties one be late. Oh Lord of mercy. Oh dear, Jesus Christ. What about that? Hit me. Them thing me done. Them thing me done. Hey, them thing me done. Make us a come tell them. Them thing me done. Them thing me done. Hey, them thing me done. Make us a come. Have me coming in hot. Have me coming in hot. Have me coming in hot. Me come to roll up this spot. Have me coming in hot. Have me coming in hot. Have me coming in hot. Me come to roll up this spot. What we know who done? Young the young man. Green the green man. Me just have that some. After the year 2000 years and that more to come. Want me so baby with the lyrical tongue. Turn up, and sit down, sit down. What me can walk. Oh, you know what as we say, the next track, man, you know what I'm touch it with a long thing like that. All original Jamaicans. All the army. Lord of mercy. Who look at them, sir? One time something come back again. Go round the bend and go tell your friend. Let me check it out, lad. No, we're not better than. Yeah, man. One more time. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Lord of mercy. One time something come back again. Go round the bend and go tell your friend. Let me check it out, lad. No, we're not better than your yard. Who let me check it out, lad? No, we're not better than your yard. Hit me up in the hills so when the streets are cool. Jungle on the valley, I'm swimming at the pool. 3 sheep goat, 2 black ram. 8 acres of banana, 8 acres of yam. Check it out, lad. No, we're not better than your yard. Dash! Dash on that elephant. I'm the first number on this. I'm the first number on this Mobay. Lord. Remember, say one scotch, one, two. Yeah, man. I cut out the truth here. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. Say one scotch, one burger, one beer. Cheers. Say one scotch, one burger, one beer. Cheers. And they say, hey, jump the fancy big, you listen here. Ain't got no money, ain't got no bus fare. When are you far, me say, when are you near? Try me the car, make a show you can steer. stage. You see the great Robert Nesta Marley was here. You know that tell me if you tell him tonight. This one tell me if you tell him. Wake up this morning with my head to the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Welcome. This is a message to you. Mommy, it's a you know if you worry about the thing. Baby, don't worry, because every little thing is gonna be alright. It's a you know if you worry about the thing. Baby, don't worry, because